G'day guys, it's Daniel here from Orbit Plumbing. In this video I'm going to just show you how to replace a shower head. All you're going to need is a screwdriver, shifter, some Teflon tape, a nice new cover plate and the new shower head itself. So to start with, it's literally all we're going to do is start by undoing the old shower head. Okay, that's simple. Next thing, we will get this old cover plate off the wall, and I'm going to use the screwdriver here just to get any old Teflon off, because we don't want old Teflon in the groove. We want to replace with brand new Teflon. Next thing we're going to want to do is put our cover plate on. So put that cover plate there nicely, and I'll just grab my pink Teflon tape. And we're going to want to try and get, there's not a whole lot of thread on this one to be honest, but try and get 6 goes around. 3, 4. I'm going to go a little bit less because this one's not got too much thread, so it's quite bunched up, the Teflon. I don't want to cause it to be too tight. What the Teflon tape actually does is it just creates a seal between the thread really, and as soon as you've got any water that hits on the Teflon expands, and that's what causes the seal to work properly. Now, this is how my new shower heads come out. Now, I don't want to just bend that around. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to undo this wing nut just gently before I go and twist that around. Okay? Because I don't want to damage any of these rubbers. Got to be very careful with that. Now, if you had just noticed now, this has a restrictor in it. And to be perfectly honest, I like my showers to be very good with the water pressure. So I'm going to use a screwdriver here, there, and as you can see, if I can do it with, might even be able to see, get it out. There you go. It's still on the end of my screwdriver. So now that water pressure reducing filter is gone, and now all you're left to do, because you've already got your cover plate here, and you get your Teflon, put it in, give it a few goes around first before you start. Just make sure the thread's on. Okay, now just get it back onto your shifter, give it a bit further until you can see that it is nice and flush up against your cover plate. And obviously you want to make sure everything's in line, just like that. And that's it. That's perfectly done. So you can definitely do this yourself at home. You don't really need a plumber. And there you go. There's full instructions on what to do. Cheers guys, have a good one.